That one is so gorgeous. Ah! Hi everyone, this is Tiana, and today I'm gonna be stamping with powder. Some things before we get started that I wanna note. You need to choose a design that has thicker line. Another thing, when you're doing this technique, the surface has to be dry and it has to be matte. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put our powder onto the surface of the stamper. Thin layers, it doesn't have to be fully caked on or anything, just, you know, light, even layer. And if you have hollow powders, chrome powders, that can work too. And now I'm gonna take a black polish and we're gonna stamp just like how we normally would. So just picking up the design. And there you go. So now if you have a whole stack of powders, you can go ahead and do this technique.